Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Let's talk about insulation, especially in the rear and the front cap area. We believe in really insulating our units well. So you're going to see this radiant barrier on a lot of our insulation applications. What I've heard is that some folks don't even insulate the front and rear caps. Well, we are building for the full-timer, so you're going to have a well-insulated luxury fifth wheel. So we put the radiant barrier on the front cap and the rear cap. That's the first thing we do, and we glue it into that area, and then we put a batting insulation. Also, on the front cap, you're going to see draped over the top a Darko, which is a moisture barrier that's going to keep when you're going down the highway and that rain is beating on that front cap, it's going to keep it nice and dry. Same thing with the rear. As you can see down here, we're putting the Darko and we're draping it up around the bottom, so that when you're flying down the highway and moisture is just whipping underneath your unit, it's going to protect that area also from any moisture. Then a batting insulation goes on top of that radiant barrier, and so you're very well insulated in the front and the rear. So not only are our walls with the graphite infused closed cell insulation, the front and rear cap is well insulated, along with the floor and the roof. So hey, give us a call, ask us about our insulation, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.